about to give them what they want. I don't think they're ready for this though. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode.
Alright homies and homettes, before this workout video begins, I want to share an online client with you guys. Bam! That's my client Chris. We worked together, we dropped 40 pounds, and he competed naturally, and he won his class. Now I know I do not promote myself as a prep coach, but yes fam, not only do I do online coaching, if you want to prep for a show naturally, without using banned substances, naturally, right? Holler at me. I've helped quite a few people win their natural pro cards as well, so if that's something you're interested in, be sure to tap in, alright? I'm doing a spring sale. People are getting ready for the spring, ready for the summer. I'm doing a 20% off sale. This sale is gonna be good for 7 days. Type in spring 20. If you would like some online coaching for a cheaper price, type in spring 20. If you're already a client and want more weeks, spring 20. Well, anyway, here's the workout video, guys. Bam. What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones, representing Pump Chasers, and you already know. Don't act like you don't already know. You head on down to tigerfitness.com to get your GEF whey. I'm about to have some whey right now, okay? So it's Sunday, actually Easter Sunday. It's my cheat day / refeed day. So we're gonna have some extra carbs today. So here it is, fam. Got the rice cakes, and we use that GEF whey. The GEF whey! As the milk, okay? Now I'm gonna have this, wait about an hour or so, then go train. Typically wait about 2 hours or so before I train if I eat a heavy meal, but this is just some carbs and protein. It should hit me real quick, alright? Alright, homies and homettes, full routine written at the very bottom of the description for the ones that happen to give a fuck. So here we are. This is a high volume back workout, alright? Keep in mind, guys and gals, I've been cutting. You know, I just turned 40 years old March 31st, and I want to be tight. I want to be looking good this summer. I really want this to be the best I've ever looked, okay? So I've been cutting down a little bit. I'm a little flat today. That's why I had a refeed plus cheat day, so decided to record a workout for you guys. Started out with some dumbbell rows. Dumbbell rows for the hoes, so okay? And then we backdoored it with some cable rows. Now I like dumbbell rows for that natural stretch, you know, that come with free weights. You know, that natural stretch that comes with the free weights, that eccentric loading, right? And then that cable gonna give you that good squeeze. Notice even my traps contracted. You see that? Even the lines came up in my traps doing those cable rows for the hoes. So I like both, you know. Either I'll do one workout and then I do cables the next workout, or like today, just do both. You know, depends how I feel that day, okay? Now here we are doing some close grip T-bar rows for the hoes. We over here knocking it out, getting a good squeeze. This is great for the lower traps and mid traps and lats. So lower traps, mid traps, and lats. So it's great for knots in detail, okay? One of my best kept secrets, one of my favorites. You know, I really don't see a lot of people promoting that anymore. I see a lot of seated cable rows. And if you ever got any of my programs, I put both on there for a reason. Seated cable rows are great, and the bent over free weighted rows are great too. You know, I like doing both. You know, that natural loaded eccentric that you get from free weights, you cannot mimic with cables and shit. So I like to mix it up with free weights and cables, barbells, dumbbells. Utilize all these tools, guys, okay? So we did upper back rows on the Smith machine. Tutorial coming soon. If you guys want it, just let me know in the comment section, okay? Did some behind the neck pull downs. And here we are finishing up with some one-arm pull downs in that frontal plane. Look how I pull my elbow straight to my side. Let me tell you, crispy lats. It's gonna have bring them lines all the way to the side. and decided to finish it off with some stiff legs. It almost looked kind of like a Jefferson curl, just not as deep. Really hitting the hams, glutes, and spine, okay? Just a good finisher, not going heavy at all. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Peace.
We need a moment of silence before we fuck up these weights.